Every year, apart from its regular number series flagships, Xiaomi also launches its T series phones that are for the global market. For example, last year we got the Xiaomi 11 series in the one half, whereas the Xiaomi 11T series in the second half. Similarly, this year as well, we are getting the Xiaomi 12T series and it is launching next month. This time as well, there are two phones named the Xiaomi 12T and the Xiaomi 12T Pro. The Xiaomi 12T Pro is going to be very similar to the Redmi K50 Extreme Edition that recently launched in the Chinese market. The only major difference between the 12T Pro and the K50 Extreme Edition is the primary camera sensor on the back. While the Redmi K50 Extreme Edition has a 108 megapixel camera sensor, the Xiaomi 12T Pro has a 200 megapixel camera sensor. So slowly we are getting phones with 200 megapixel camera sensors, and soon it will be quite normal to see almost every high-end phone with a 200 megapixel camera. If you do not know, currently only one phone has a 200 megapixel camera, and that is the Moto X30 Pro, which launched in the Chinese market recently. So the Xiaomi 12T Pro could be the first phone to launch globally with a 200 megapixel camera. Speaking of this camera sensor, it is most likely the Samsung's HP1 sensor, which is also present on the Moto X30 Pro. But if you look at Samsung's website, there is also the HP3 sensor which can shoot 200 megapixel photos. The difference is that HP3 is a smaller sensor than HP1, and also the individual pixel size is smaller. So the HP3 is more suited for the mid-range devices, so it is highly unlikely that Xiaomi will go for the HP3 sensor on its 12T Pro instead of the HP1. The other camera sensors are the same as the Redmi K50 Extreme Edition, so there is an 8 megapixel ultra-wide camera and a 2 megapixel macro camera. Xiaomi 12T Pro has Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 SoC, a 5000 mAh battery and 120 watt fast charging. There is a 6.67-inch 120Hz 1.5K OLED panel with an under-display fingerprint scanner, Dolby Vision and HDR10 Plus support. Even the color options are the same for the 12T Pro, that is black, blue and silver. As for the price, a user on Twitter shared the starting price of Xiaomi 12T and also the 12T Pro. So as per him, the 8GB plus 256GB variant of Xiaomi 12T is launching at 649 euros, whereas the same storage option of the Xiaomi 12T Pro at 849 euros. Now comparing the prices of the 11T series with the same storage option, the Xiaomi 11T launched at 549 euros, whereas the Xiaomi 11T Pro at 699 euros. So in case of the vanilla 12T, there is a difference of 100 euros in the price, whereas in case of the 12T Pro, the difference is around 150 euros. So what do you think of the Xiaomi 12T Pro and the rumored pricing? Do let me know via the comment section below, and as always, I'll catch you in the next one.